Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Style for Jenny. Hope you all are doing well. I am Jenny and I create content on self-care, makeup and fashion. So today I'm going to share some of the top 5 products under rupees 500 that are so worth it, and I guess you all should definitely give it a try. It is so good, so affordable and just top notch in quality. So let's get into the video without any further delay. First, let me just start off with few skincare products that I really like. And first one is this Juicy Chemistry Serum. So I have two of their serums, and one is this 2% alpha-arbutin serum, which also has the gallic acid in it. So they have launched like 2.0 active serums, like various serums from this range, and they are so good. Literally, I've tried like over 2 to 3 months now, and these are just so good. They work so well, especially this alpha arbutin serum works so well on my dark spots, hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone and dull skin. It's just so good. It helps in fading my acne scars quicker than before, I would say. Yeah, it takes quite a less amount of time than usual. So these are just so good. If you want to first start off with a smaller sized bottle, and then if it starts giving results, you can move on to the bigger bottle, right? So this is the 10 ml bottle, which is also available at Amazon. So you can definitely give it a try. These are so good, super affordable and worth it. So the next skincare product is a moisturizer that I'm really liking nowadays, and it's like my go-to and staple moisturizer currently. And I'm speaking about this, the Derma-Co 5% niacinamide daily hydrating moisturizer. So though I have quite an oily acne-prone skin, I've been using this moisturizer that is suitable for normal to combination skin. You guys can ask me why. Because it's not summer, it's been winters. I have quite a dry skin around my nose and around my mouth, but my T-zone are all like oily, and yeah, it's come somewhat like a combination skin right now. So I thought, okay, let's just give it a try. But thank God it did not make my skin like heavy or oily. Rather, it hydrated and nourished my skin so well and in the right way, and super lightweight, guys. It has a very light lotion like texture. So let me show you the texture of it. Can you see? It's like a very light lotion like texture. It just blends easily. Yeah, it just gives a beautiful hydrating skin like finish, and it's so good, so lightweight. It's not heavy at all, and it's perfect for my skin. And this huge 100-gram tube, it retails for just rupees around 400, but at Amazon you can definitely get it at a much lesser price, like around 300 or 350. So do definitely give it a try if you are between combination to normal skin and you're looking for a good hydrating moisturizer in the affordable range. This is just so good. So the next product in the list is this Foxtail Brightening Lip Balm. If you know me, you would have seen in a number of videos of me speaking about this particular lip balm because it's so good, super affordable, and we have all the things that we need in a lip balm in this cute little pretty packaging. Yeah, so this is the brightening lip balm from Foxtail, and it has SPF of 30. It also has peptides, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and it comes in both tinted and non-tinted version. And I have in the shade Ruby Glaze. It's such a beautiful red lip balm. So if you are a office person and if you're looking for a good nourishing lip balm, it also has a tint because it has a very beautiful tint. Yeah, also let me just show you the texture and the tint, how it looks. So it is very lightweight, it is not at all sticky. So this is how just one swipe looks like. Can you see how it is? It is just so good, so beautiful, so nourishing. It has a very good tint. You can also make it subtle, or you can build it up to look a good bold glazed lips like kind of a look. Yeah, for any of these, this is so good. It has SPF, it has tint, it has very good nourishing properties that my lip need. So what more do we need in a lip balm, right? It is super affordable. So for the price, it is like amazing. I would give it just 100 out of 10. I would definitely repurchase it for sure. So if you are looking for a good tinted lip balm, then just go blindly invest in it and then thank me later. Now we have two makeup products. The first one is a concealer, and it's from the brand Inside Cosmetics. So it's called their No Smudge Concealer. These are very tiny cute bottle concealers which are so good, so underrated and so worth it. So I have the orange corrector from it, and it is super pigmented. Yeah, you have a very good doe food applicator. It's good in quality and so good. just to one swipe pigmentation. It has the right amount of pigmentation that an orange character needs, so you need a very less, so little goes a long way. Just to one dab and then dab it with your finger wherever you have hyperpigmentation and acne marks. It will just conceal it so well, and then you can just move on with a foundation and a loose powder. You'll be good to go, like just that 5-minute makeup look routine, right? So yeah, they also have concealer shades. So looking for a good color corrector or a concealer in an affordable range, then this is the go-to for you, because it has become my go-to and it is so good. Now we have the last product of today's video, and how would I complete a video without speaking about a lipstick, right? So I have one beautiful lipstick under rupees 500. It's not even 500, it's like under rupees 300 or 350. Yeah, it is so good, so affordable and so worth it. And I'm speaking about this Mars Cosmetics Cine Magic lip glosses. So these are transfer proof lip glosses. Yeah, it is absolutely so good. The brand has relaunched the new packaging as well. So these new packaging looks so good, right? I really like it. And you have this beautiful golden detailing over here. You have the brand logo, and on the back side you have the shade name. Yeah, so these are so good. Speaking about, first you have to shake it and then you have to swipe it. Yeah, so let me just show you just one swipe swatch. Can you look at that shade, guys? Oh my god, these are super saturated, super glossy and so good. So these are so glossy. It does take some time to set, but once it's set, it's like transfer proof and smudge proof. Yeah, even the gloss does not move, so it's like transfer proof lip gloss, and these are so good. I really like these. You have various different colors, and this shade Begum, I would say it's a must have for dusky and deeper skin tones like me. It's so good, so worth it, and I absolutely love it. That's it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do so, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button. Comment down below what more videos do you want me to do next, and share this video with your friends and family. You can also check out my Instagram page Stalfridjani for more such self-care, makeup and fashion content. Also, if you like to watch such long form review videos, makeup tutorials, fashion hauls and much more, you can definitely subscribe to my channel by clicking that red button and bell icon, so that you'll be notified when I upload new videos. I'll also leave all the product details along with the links in the description box below, guys. You can definitely check them out. And that's it for today's video. Until next time, bye bye.